What's up, everybody? Man, has it been some time since I posted anything on YouTube. Well, here's an update video of the rods. We got the '06 Civic Si, got it white wheels again, red lug nuts, red center H. She is just garage kept now. Interiors super clean. Try to keep that super clean and nice. Replace the e-brake. That was all worn out, starting to crack. Got a Honda. Got the LED lights in there. What else is new? Oh, this lower lip from Ventus Auto Works. Got the side splitters and the rear. I guess the splitters. I don't know what else they call them. This front lip is from a STI. I painted up the white SI badge. It's pretty tight. The newest to the group is the 2008 Honda Civic Si I got from a friend. Needed a lot of work. Didn't have wheels on it at the time. Suspension was all jacked up. All the pulleys were messed up. Headlights were jacked up. There was a dent in the bumper, got fixed. The mirror was broken, got fixed. Interior dash, the gas gauge was flickering, so just resoldered that. Interior speakers were all done and blown, so I took the '06 speakers and I put it in here. It includes the subwoofer, the stereo radio too, the radio that was in here before. The display was scratched and cracked, so that's replaced. Floor mats, didn't have floor mats, put floor mats in there. Red center H for the steering wheel. I don't know if you can see it in there. She's dirty. Yeah, so this is gonna be the daily, and then we got the winter car. Look at that, we got the wheels on there now, stock wheels, new tires, headlights are new, lip is repaired. You can see I got some Edward Scissorhand, but man, from far away you can't tell nothing with the winter car. What else? I did some minor things with this guy. The shifter has been replaced. I debadged her. Tints, probably had that on there before. Oh, this is great. Plastidip, the black. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't look black, but that's black. Plastidip that because it was all silver. So, yeah. I guess that's my update for the cars and for you and for my YouTube family. So let me know if you have any questions. Leave some comments below, and I can show you some of the rest of the stuff. All right, let's finish up with the race car. Let's try to get a good shot in there. Oh, that's pretty. That's a pretty shot right there. All right. Peace out, everybody.